Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Bebo and Juan visit the dentist. Bebo was visiting the dentist for the first time. Juan was keeping him company. "Look, it's here," said Juan, looking up at a sign. "Let's go in," said Bebo. Once the friends were inside, an assistant led them to a room. "Look at that big chair," said Juan. "This is a big chair," said Bebo, climbing in. "I'm a little nervous." The dentist greeted Bebo and Juan. "Open your mouth," she said to Bebo. "Look at those teeth," said Juan, looking at Bebo's teeth. "Yes," said the dentist. "Bebo is a young bear with big teeth." The dentist smiled. "And no cavities." She gave Bebo a new toothbrush. "Would you like a toothbrush?" the dentist asked Juan. Juan opened his beak. "I don't have teeth." "You're right," said the dentist. "Toucans don't have teeth." "But he can brush his beak," said Bebo. "Yes, thanks," said Juan, taking the toothbrush.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.